This morning I'm out here doing a bit of practice for an upcoming competition. The upcoming competition I've got is the 22 Jungle Lane at Benmore Station outside of Christchurch, and this time that's to be held next weekend. So I'm out here practicing with my Sako quad and 22 long rifle. Ammunition I'm using today is Norma. It performs pretty good in the Sako quad, so that's what I'll be using for the competition as well. Scope I've got on my quad comes off my long range 260. It's a Carl 6-24i. So a bit of practice this morning. This morning it's a cold bore, or first shot of the day. Distance today is 203 metres. So getting out there for a subsonic 22, and yeah, let's see how we go. The ballistics tell me I need to come up 7.8 mil. And need to hold a bit left for the wind as well. There's just a bit of drift coming down the gully here, or coming down the land. So yeah, that's it. Let's see how we go. 5 rounds in there. Right. So I'll go for the centre of the large targets. Those 8-inch targets at 203 metres. Right, a bit of dialer up. And a bit left for the one. Okay. A bit more left, a bit more wind there than I thought. Yeah, definitely a bit more wind there than I thought. That's right. That's what we practice for. So there you go. That's a cold bore 203 metre shot with a subsonic 22. I'll dial it back down.